We got box 7 of a case of 2010 Topps Triple Thread Football. I said this in most of the other videos too, but I'll do a case recap at the end. That'll make it easy for everybody to just look at the hits if you want to. It's pretty good so far. A couple good hits, so hopefully everybody will watch that. Hopefully we got a couple more good ones left too. This is actually box 8 again of 9. So let's see what we got. Alright, Jim Brown to 1350. Reggie Bush to 1350. Philip Rivers to 1350. Dan the Man, Dan Marino, 4/18. That's a good jersey. Anquan Bolden to 4.99, and Darren McFadden to 2.99. That was a good jersey. So we get in the auto. Yeah, good box. Matthew Stafford to 1350. Drew Brees to 1350. Pierre Thomas to 1350. Mike Kafka, not a good auto here, to 99. Brandon Marshall to 4.99. And D'Angelo Williams to 2.99. Alright, one more to go. Thank you very much.